Guys, this is too good to be true. I just received an email from an actual Nigerian prince who says he can quadruple my money.
I don't know, Dewey. It's never really a good idea to send money to somebody you don't know. It's probably not a safe bet.
Marcus, you've known me my whole life. When have I ever made a decision that I've regretted?
Well, what about the time you tried to make a little extra money babysitting your cousins? Or that day that you thought you could save time by ironing your shirt while you're still wearing it. Or that time you thought it'd be a good idea to rent Free Willy for our movie night, and you know that movie makes you cry like a baby, and you were crying so hard that everybody was calling you Whale Blubber.
Okay, but this is different. So like, this Nigerian prince, he's real, and if I just get 3 other friends to help send money, it guarantees us like $5 grand for us all to split. Like, what are we waiting for?
So, how much do you need?
Like, only 250 bucks. Like, this Prince Ali Ababwa, like, he's real and he like needs our help. So like, just 250 bucks, we could quadruple our money, you know?
Oh, that's a lot of money. But what if he's right? I could use some extra cash.
Come on, guys. Like, I've got a good feeling about this. Come on.
I'm in if you're in, Marcus.
I sure hope I don't regret this. We should probably tell Dale first, though.
Hey, Dale. Dale, wake up, man. Hey, are you in?
What? Oh, I'm in, baby.
So you're telling me that I've been duped?
I'm sorry, son. You've been punked.
Dewey, it's going to happen to anyone, but this is really going to cut in my paintball budget.
Gosh, I knew we should have checked into this more before we sent that money. What are we going to do now? How are we going to tell our parents?
I don't know. Dad is still mad at me for that April Fool's joke.
Oh my gosh, look at this. This is great. Don't mind if I do.
Guys, I know. I'm sorry. I never intended like any of us to get stuck in this bad spot. I feel so bad. It's like when Free Willy, when they put him in that tank, and he was just like so big, and that tank was so small.
No, Dewey! Don't go there! Capture your thoughts, man! Stinking whale.
I'll make it up to you guys somehow. I just don't know how, but I'm gonna make it happen. Okay, guys? I'll see you guys later. what's up, guys? Thanks for coming.
Well, we're here. Now what?
Grab a ball, guys. We got a lot of practicing to do.
Dewey, we haven't done anything well together since that Christmas party last year.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind?
Alright guys, let's sling some rocks.
Heyo!
The rain, I never thought there'd come a day, I never thought there'd come a...
Man, those were some dodgy pins. We couldn't hit them if we tried. It's like throwing forks at pigeons.
Yeah, that was pretty bad. The only way y'all can win is if you get some pointers from the great Scoops Mackenzie. Yeah, he lives down at the Mackenzie place, at the dead end.
I think this is it.
Get lost. I don't want whatever you're selling.
We're not selling anything. We were told you could help us.
What do I look like, a charity? Get lost, kids.
Scoops, we know you're in there. We need your help on the lanes, man.
Come in the back door.
Mr. Scoops, are you in here?
I'm by the fireplace.
Hey, Scoops, we hear you might be able to help us.
Help y'all? Do what? Win some bet?
No, man. We won't be champions. Bowling champions.
Did you say bowling champions? Why do you think I can help?